Hello, my name is Vanna, and I am a ceramic artist from the South Bronx. And I am co-founder of Bronx Clay, which is a worker-owned cooperative, and we're working to open up a ceramic studio in the South Bronx. I follow a lot of ceramic artists online, one of them being Melissa Weiss. And so when I saw that she was having this workshop, I decided that I really wanted to come meet her. And then also, there was the BIPOC scholarship, which really made it accessible for me. So I decided to just give it a shot. I was kind of nervous coming. I was kind of nervous. I wasn't sure how it was going to be. Everybody's kind. I haven't had any run-in with anybody that had any kind of ego. Melissa has been very generous, just extremely generous. She showed us so many things. She's gone above and beyond. We've hung out, continued to hang out as a group, as a class. After class, we're gonna go swimming this afternoon. So just everybody's just been generous and really great. Being here really gave me some time to focus on my own practice, my own style. Like, I'm still working out what my own style is and figuring out the things I like. So this was a really good opportunity to practice that.